Hi, this is Kuldeep Kumar Dwivedi. I am in VI Lab MNIT Allahabad. I will show you how the research scholar work here day and night to complete their MTech project, and I will meet Mr. Umesh Soni ji, who will tell how they have make this project, this rotating device. So, Mr. Soni ji, hi, this is Kuldeep Kumar
Hi,
Dwivedi.
hi. My
Uh,
Sony.
So, would you like to explain some about this project?
Yes, we have already done a previous project here, and also used some converter devices fed with the LabVIEW. And now we are working for a ready-made BLDC type of wheel motor. Uh, just our research in the field of super efficient motors and controls. So here the LabVIEW provides the pulses to the converter.
Okay.
Here the power supply is available to this, and this is power supply block.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
here the voltage sensors provide the feedback signals to our LabVIEW. From
Okay.
here we use the further algorithms to control the BLDC motor. Just it is not working like a proper way. It's
Okay.
jerking. So we are working in that so that proper synchronization is there, and we can get it at high speed together with the power efficiency of the machine.
Mr. Saniji, I would like to ask something to you about this
No, Mr.
project. That
Sony.
how much, Mr. Soni, how much time you have taken to complete this project so far?
Yes, about 1.5 years I spent in this making these converter
Hmm.
elements and connecting the components and
Any
all
research
this.
paper you have published so far in this project so far?
Just I have published one paper,
Yeah.
and still one paper is communicated.
Yeah.
And my previous work is here. You can see here. This is designed for more analysis on the machine.
This which types of
But
motor is this?
this is actually the motor with the facility of all types of terminations, pole interchanging facility, phase interchanging facility, and various types of sensing facility
Yeah.
available. However, in which way we want to connect it,
Yeah.
we can use it with the converters. So
Okay.
this is ready for all type of
So
applications.
this is
This
working.
is totally made by me.
This is working now. This is in
Yes,
working
yes,
condition.
previously it was worked.
Okay.
Now I have disconnected all the things, so it will take time to reconnect again,
Okay.
and
Okay.
all the data feeding again will have to change.
Okay, Soni ji. So I think this was very wonderful experiment. So,
Just I am working under guidance of Professor R.K. Tripathi
Professor
sir,
Arkit,
and
good.
he is ex-HOD of electrical department of MNIT Allahabad.
Okay. So nice to meet you, Mr. Soni ji.
Thank you very much.
So people, you have seen that how the research scholars at MNIT Allahabad work day and night to complete his thesis and project. Thank you very much for this video.